my friends. I'm going to be doing a cloud pour today. I have this 10 by 10 inch little chunky canvas. I love that size for a cloud pour. And I have a few recipes for a cloud mix. One is a little complicated, but it gives great results. You can find it in some of my other cloud pours, but today I'm using one. It's a super simple recipe. I will detail it down below, but basically everything is mixed the same, including the cloud mix. 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint, and for the cloud mix I'm using satin enamel, and a little bit of water. About half a part of water for the colors, and just a splash for the white and metallic. I'm using Treasure Gold and Aquamarine, and as I said, satin enamel for the cloud mix. No other white paint was mixed in with it, so it's very simple. And then Creative Inspirations in Payne's Gray, Viridian, and then this is Ocean Green in Master's Touch. So, here we go. I'm going to start with these, let's see, I'll start with the dark Payne's Gray. I think this Ocean Green will be pretty next to it. I'll speed this part up. Okay. Pretty much just going to do a straight pour, and I will rotate my wrist, and that's about it. This feels a little thin to me. And where's the white? Okay. All right. I'm going to pause for a second and let this percolate, and then I'll be back. Okay, I think it's been maybe 5 minutes, and a little something has happened. I did hit it with a torch, and a bunch of little white specks in there. But time to move this around. I love this area there. It's a very pretty looking at it from the side where that aquamarine is blending with some of those matte colors, and it's quite pretty. And I don't mind sacrificing that light blue over there, but oh, I want to save that area. So maybe I'll come over here. Look at those sides, aren't they fun? Looks like an astronaut sitting in space there. Okay. Interesting. I like the drama of this dark blue here, the Payne's gray. So I think I want to bring that down this way. Hmm. Hmm. I think I like it. I have a few gaps on the sides, but when I reach a point where I'm happy with what's going on the top, I stop and then I let it dry. Then I come in with the darkest color I've used, in this case Payne's gray, and I fill in the sides, and I really like the way that looks. And it ties all together. Gosh, the sides are really pretty. I can't show you because I don't want to mess up the top. But let me bring you in, look a little bit closer. And I have some paint left over from all of these colors and some nice drippings there. I'm going to scrape those all up, mix them up together, and use it later as either a color or flow extender. I try not to have anything go to waste. Yeah, I'm going to show you now, and then I'm going to stop and wait another 10 minutes, and I kind of expect it's going to change up a little bit. Oh, I like that area right in there. Yeah, I think these may grow a little bit, those areas of, and those spots of kind of cloudy. So it's a different look than my other cloud recipe, but I rather like it. I'm not sure which orientation I like best. Maybe this be the bottom, but I'm going to leave it for now, and I'll come back in 10 minutes and show you again, and then we'll wrap this thing up. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes. It changed some, but not drastically, and I'm pretty pleased with it. So I've scraped up all the drippings, and I will use that pretty color in something else. Okay, my friends, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes. It changed some, but not drastically, and I'm pretty pleased with it. So I've scraped up all the drippings, and I will use that pretty color in something else. Okay, my friends, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.